Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. Today I would like to present to you guys about my final year project ideas, which is FunRecipe by Flutter. I'm recording at 12 afternoon in Sunday. Why? Because this is the time where moms and housewives or fathers will love to cook. During this video is recorded, I can guarantee you some of them will complaining about lacks of ingredient to cook the food, or worse, they run out of idea on what dishes they want to cook for their family. So when the situation happen, the main problem is not to them but to us men, for the husbands and the sons. Why? Because we are the one who be forced to buy the groceries. The second problem would be to us is we always go to the market to buy some ingredients, but there will be a hiccup for us. The existing food application seems less efficient because the content that they provided to the customer or the user is statically. They do not care about what the actual problems that happens to the user. For example, I can say if the user want to learn how to cook, most of the food application does not really teach them how to do it, because they will either provide a full length of video without a pause or skipping part by part. Worse, they just give picture to the user. When they give picture to the user cannot learn what method they need to use to produce good product. Okay, now I will tell you how does my system will work. Okay, first, the user will need to choose from our menus. We provide them with tons of menus as what Asian people love to eat, such as Malay cuisine, Indian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, and also Western cuisine. After they have chosen what dishes they want to cook, they need to assume how many pack that they want to cook, and then they will need to add to the cart. After they add the food to the cart, they need to continue to the paying method, which will provide two pay method, which is first is cash on delivery, pay to the grocer, or second, they need to pay by online banking. Okay, when they have done the payment, the system will do two things. First, they will straightly notice the nearest grocer or the nearest store that have registered with us. Okay, second, they will provide a QR code for the user. I'll tell about the QR code later. Okay, when the grocer receives the notification, they will pack the things. The system will estimate how long does the ingredient will be given to the customer, the food or the dishes that they ordered. Okay, when they receive the information, we'll provide them with videos that teach them parts by parts. For example, you want to cook nasi lemak. We'll provide, first video will provide how to cook nasi lemak. We'll teach how many water that you need to put on the pot, what ingredient need to put first, such as you need to put santan first, then you need to put serai, then how long you need to wait, and within waiting you can do other dishes like sambal. Then we will skip to next video, part by part, so that the user can really learn the method to cook correctly, so that they can produce the best products that they can cook. That's for the system. Okay, now I'll tell you guys about the environment that I'll use to develop this mobile application. The framework that I'll use is Flutter framework. Why? Because Flutter framework is very developer friendly, because it can help us to develop one system for two operating systems. The other framework, for example Android Studios, can only develop for one operating system, such as Android. Somehow, if in the future I want to iOS operating system, I'll need to develop another same system but just for another operating system. This will take time and will go to second problem. My second problem will be maintaining the product. If I want to maintain the product using Android Studios, I'll need to do two works, because I need to maintain for Android operating system and also iOS operating system. But when I choose to use Flutter, you can only maintain one system for two operating systems. That's easy, right? The target user will be all the housewife, all the Android phones user with latest Android, which is Android 10, and also the latest iOS version, which is iOS 14. I think this development will be so helpful to many people, and many people can learn how to cook correctly and can cook like a chef. That's all from me. Thank you.